Hello, it's Andrew from Burncoose Nurseries on a Cornish wet Wednesday morning, and we're here in the polytunnel which is overwintered our herbaceous perennials which we potted last September. And what we've done when we potted them is we watered them once and then we just left them without any watering for almost 3 or 4 months, and let's see what they've turned into. So down here we can see some echinops nicely pushed through, some erythronium bulbs which are nicely come through, and some Gallium odoratum. Now it's worth remembering, along with some Hemerocallis, that these were only watered once. We've had it that wet here in Cornwall that we've had probably 100% humidity for weeks, if not months on end. And these plants were just sitting in a humid atmosphere with moisture at their root and in the pot, which was enough to enable them to root through without giving them any extra water. So here's our Hemerocallis, and let's have a look at the root. There it is, just pushing through, look, and this is potted October, early October, no water apart from the first watering, and it's rooting through nicely in this pot. So what we've had to understand is in Cornwall, as it's getting wetter during the winter, that there is not a necessity to overwater anything during the winter, as there's humidity in the air and it has a detriment to the plant. It's always best to keep that plant slightly on the dry side through the winter, not only to help save rot, but also if it's ever frosty, the lack of water in the pot will help the plant withstand any frost. We've had 1 frost this year, -1, that's about it. Thank you.